Hey, it's me again. If you don't live under a rock, you know it's October, which means Cybersecurity Awareness Month. Throughout the month, we've been exploring cybersecurity in the manufacturing industry. This week, we're looking toward the future, specifically at the growing impact of AI-powered and emerging cyber threats. Artificial intelligence is changing the game for both attackers and defenders. Today's cybercriminals are using AI to make their attacks smarter and harder to detect. One of the biggest trends is AI-generated phishing emails. These messages can sound perfectly legitimate, using company language, project details, and even names of real coworkers. Some even go further, using deepfake audio or video to impersonate leaders or vendors and pressure employees into quick approvals or wire transfers. Pro tip for manufacturers: always verify unexpected requests through a trusted method, like calling the person directly or checking with your supervisor. Don't rely on an email or voicemail alone, no matter how convincing it seems. AI is also powering a new wave of adaptive malware, malicious software that can disguise itself, learn how your defenses work, and change tactics to avoid detection. Some malware even targets industrial control systems and SCADA networks, trying to interfere with automation, sensor data, or production settings. Pro tip: keep all devices, especially production machines and controllers, up to date. If an update requires downtime, schedule it promptly rather than putting it off indefinitely. A small delay is better than a major breach. The Internet of Things, IoT, and connected machinery you rely on to optimize performance are also increasingly at risk. Attackers can use AI to scan the internet for exposed devices, factory sensors, or PLCs with weak or default passwords. Once inside, they might collect operational data, disrupt performance, or use the system as a stepping stone for a larger attack. Pro tip: make sure all connected devices are secured with strong, unique passwords, limited remote access, and regular firmware updates. Segregate IoT and production networks from your main business systems whenever possible. But AI isn't just a threat, it's also a powerful tool for defense. Many modern cybersecurity systems now use AI to detect anomalies. For example, a workstation that suddenly sends large amounts of data to an unfamiliar address, or a controller behaving differently than usual. These systems can alert us to suspicious activity before it becomes a crisis. Pro tip: if you ever receive a security alert or see unusual system behavior, report it immediately. Early detection and quick communication make all the difference. AI is also helping teams predict and prevent incidents before they occur. Predictive monitoring can identify weak points, outdated devices, or patterns that suggest a potential attack. The bottom line: as AI becomes more powerful, so must our awareness. Attackers are getting smarter, but so are we. By staying informed, following secure practices, and communicating quickly when something doesn't look right, we protect not just our systems, but our people, production, and reputation. Together, we can harness the benefits of AI safely, keeping your operations running smoothly and your organization resilient against whatever comes next. Let's keep the line moving, one cybersecurity practice at a time.